Hello, dear friend. So, ultimately, NASA got the existence of life beyond our Earth as the latest invention by NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, which was sent on 25th December 2022 at the distance of 15 lakh kilometers from our Earth to capture the pictures of the ancient universe. It has sent 5 pictures, among which one picture is of a distant planet nearly 1000 light years away from our Earth, which is as big as our planet Jupiter, which is distinctly surrounded by the haze of water vapor. And we know as water is there, so also the oxygen will be existed at this planet. And thus, every possibility of existence of life should be there. And we all know that the water is the basic of life, and no species can survive without water. Even our body itself consists of 70% of water. Once it was told that our nearest planet, Mars, also have life in its distant past. NASA's spacecraft Perseverance was sent to Mars, launched on 30th July 2020 and landed on 18th February 2021 at Jezero crater on Mars for seeking the signs of ancient life and collect samples of rock and regolith, that's mean broken rock and soil, for possible return to Earth. Perseverance has a similar design to its predecessor rover, Curiosity. The rover's goal include identifying ancient Martian environment capable of supporting life, seeking out evidence of former microbial life existing in those early environments, collecting rock and soil samples, and also testing oxygen production from the Martian atmosphere to prepare for future crewed missions. The atmosphere of Mars is much thinner than Earth's. The atmosphere of the red planet is over 100 times thinner than Earth's and primarily composed of 95.32% carbon dioxide, 2.7% nitrogen, 1.6% argon, and 0.13% of oxygen. Once water was existed on Mars, but the atmosphere is too thin for it to last long on the surface in a liquid state. Instead, water on Mars is found below the polar region as water ice. NASA's MAVEN mission scientists reported that Mars once had thick atmosphere that could have supported surface liquid water on the surface for extended periods of time. Mars' average temperature is about 60 degrees centigrade, and at midday near the equator it is 20 degrees centigrade. According to NASA, some surface features suggest that Mars experienced huge flood about 3.5 billion years ago. But then the question arises very naturally that how did Mars lost its atmosphere? Mars' atmosphere continues to leak out into space, but how? The leading theory is that Mars' light gravity coupled with its lack of global magnetic field left the atmosphere vulnerable to pressure from the solar wind, the constant stream of particles coming from the sun. Over millions of years, the sun's pressure stripped the lighter molecules from the atmosphere, thinning it out. So, in spite of more than 95% of carbon dioxide, due to the lack of water, Mars has no life right now. So, liquid water is the most important ingredient for existence of life, and which is abruptly existing in the newly invented planet WASP 96b. So, there is a big possibility to find out the presence of life, maybe not in the full form like ours, in the newly invented planet at a distance of 1000 light years from us. And this is just a beginning. Maybe plenty of like WASP 96b are scattered throughout the universe. So ultimately it is just a matter of time to declare that we are not alone. Thus, with the extreme dream, let's get ready to enjoy the existence of another Earth, or maybe much more. So friends, this is enough for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and thus please subscribe and share this video, and also encourage your dearest and nearest one to see this video and to like and share and subscribe this video for going through such type of resourceful videos in the near future.